In order to make categorical variables ready for certain statistical operations, we need to convert the data from a single column into a series of columns of ones or zeros. For example, in the below, we see that there's a column for profession. In that column, we have two values, teacher and doctor. And when we one-hot encode these values, we end up with two columns, one named doctor and one named teacher, with ones for the doctors like Elizabeth in the first column and ones for teachers in the second column for folks like John. To see this in action and why it's important, we can turn to a simple example. Here we have different fruits and their calories, and we might want to predict the calories based on the category of fruit that it is, whether it's citrus or stone. Using this simple example, I can drag this into this pre-prepared snippet of Python, run the code, and see that I actually end up with an error. What we see here is that we cannot convert string to float stone, and it's complaining that I gave it a categorical variable as the X predictor. Instead, what I should be doing is using one-hot encoding, which allows me to turn that column into multiple columns. Here I can select category to be encoded and end up with a result, something that looks like this. Column for citrus, column for stone. From here, I can bring this data set in and use category stone instead of category as my X variable. And I can see that the predictor says that stone fruits have 51.5 calories more than citrus fruit. Today, most functions, machine learning tools, and no-code operators will all help you do this automatically without having to manually do it. However, it is best to know the concept behind one-hot encoding and to know what it means when someone says it.